how to limit comments on Instagram. If you want to control who can send you messages or leave comments on your posts, Instagram allows you to set limits. First, open the Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then, tap the three-line menu at the top right. It will take you to Settings and Activity. Scroll down and tap on Limits Interaction. This feature allows you to temporarily limit unwanted comments and messages if you feel like you're being harassed. You can choose to limit interactions from accounts you don't follow or from recent followers. You can also set how long the limits will be active, from 1 day up to 4 weeks. Once you have selected your preferences, tap the button to turn on limits. If you want to change or remove these limits later, you can return to this menu at any time to adjust the settings. That's how to limit comments on Instagram.